Unstable network error, error code 324, on LG TV often means that the device is unable to connect to the App Store. A poor internet connection, an outdated version of your TV firmware, or the application may cause this error code. So, to fix the error code, you should try troubleshooting your internet connections, then update your TV's firmware to its current version. Method 1. Check internet connections. Poor internet connections and speed prevent the device from connecting to the App Store. So this would be a good idea to troubleshoot these things first. Check required internet speed is available or not. If it is below than required, then try to contact your service provider and ask them to fix it. You can also check specific app internet speed. Method 2. Update your LG TV firmware to its latest version. Press the Home Smart button on your remote to bring up your launcher. Select Settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the General menu from the left, then scroll down and select About this TV. Check Allow Automatic Updates, then click the Check for Updates button. If an update is available, follow the steps on screen to download and install it. Method 3. Power cycle your device. Unplug your TV from all the cables and power plugs, wait for 5 minutes and replug it. Also, do the same process with your router and whatever internet option you are using.